In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money online with your KDP interior. So for example, let's say that you created a book about this niche, sea life coloring book. You have created the interior by yourself, and you have created the cover design, and you have uploaded the book to the Amazon KDP. Then after that, you are going to get a couple of sales, maybe so many sales if you run ads to them. But in this video, I'm going to show you different ways to make money by that interior that you have already created. So there is no more work. You have not to create another interior. It's just the same interior that you have already uploaded. You just maximize your profit and you upload it to other websites to earn couple of dollars or maybe $100 with the same interior that you have already created. So the first way is by Creative Fabrica. I know many of you are using Creative Fabrica to create their interior. So if you use it and if you buy from it, why you don't sell on it? So for example, you have created the Sea Life coloring book interior. Just upload it here to Creative Fabrica and you can make sales by the same interior that you have already created long time ago. So for example, let's search about a coloring book or animals coloring book. For example, animals coloring book. So as you can see, there is many of them. For example, this one, Chinese Zodiac animals coloring book. It's only 60 cents, but there is no reviews yet. Let's see another one. For example, this one, no reviews. I want to see interiors that have reviews. So for example, this one, it's $15, sorry, and it has 5 based on 8 reviews. So there are 8 or more people that bought this interior. 35 animals set for coloring pages. So for example, you have already created something like this. You just upload it here and you write a description about it here, and whether you make a lot or not, you didn't do additional work. It's just the same interior that you have already uploaded. You just re-upload it here and you wait until you can make money. So even if it makes a couple of dollars every single month and you add it with other websites that I'm going to show you in this video, it will be a very good idea. So this is the first website, Creative Fabrica, and as you can see, if we write and search about KDP interior, for example, in general, you can see there is many of them. So you can buy a lot of them and you can sell also many of your interior that you have already created. And as you can see, there is 76,000 results. So there is a huge market on this website, Creative Fabrica. So this is the first way. The second way is by Etsy. And as you can see, if we search about KDP interior, you can see there is so many results. 5,000 results. More than 5,000 results with KDP interior. There is many different KDP interior, puzzle, journal, coloring books, activity, kids activity, and so on. Many. And for example, this one, as you can see, it has 1,200 reviews and it's $7. So if we multiply 7 by 1,000, this is more than $7,000, and I think it's way more than that because not everyone buys, they leave a review. So this guy, maybe he's already, so yeah, as you can see, 20,000 sales. Even if you get, for example, a couple of hundred sales, that's very good because you have already created the interior and you just upload it here. So yeah, this is many pages, blank pages, dot grid and lined, 120 pages each book, no bleed, and you'll get different sizes. So I think you can do it by yourself. And this guy is making a lot of money by this interior. So this is a very good way. Etsy.com, and it's a huge market. You have you haven't to run ads to get reviews and get sales because the search engine in this website is very powerful. So this is the second way. The third way is by Ignite, Amazon Ignite. And if you go to this site, as you can see, it's from Amazon. You can see there's so many great interiors that are uploaded here. I haven't tried it, but I heard that people can make decent money from here. And again, the same thing, you have already created the interior and you just upload it here. I'm not sure if it's for all countries or it's only for US. Make sure about that when you sign up, but I don't think it's the powerful place to make a lot of money because as you can see the reviews only 18, 273, 1000 maybe. This one is very good, so I'm not sure about it, but let's move to another one. This one, Teachers Pay Teachers. This is a very good website that you can make a lot of money. So for example, I search about KDP and I got 892 results. So maybe in this time it's not much competition, so this is, take it as a chance. And as you can see, for example, this one about 100 KDP interior bond graphic and it's $11. So there's a description that describe what you expect to get, and then he's making some money. I don't know where is the reviews, or it's not showing there, I'm not sure about it, but you can upload it if you want right here, and maybe hopefully you'll get some results and some sales. So this is the fourth way to make money online by your KDP interior. The last way is by Fiverr.com. So this is a very good website and it's very popular. So you can search about KDP interior coloring pages, for example, and as you can see there is a lot of results only in this niche. So you can upload your interior here, or you can create it for other people if you are good enough at it and you have plenty of time. You can service and sell your service here and choose your price. And as you can see, there is some reviews, 23, 19, 96. If we delete the coloring book, coloring pages, and we just type KDP interior, there is many and plenty of offers that you can choose. So this site you can buy and sell. So sometimes in some niches maybe you can't design that interior, you can buy from it. And also sometimes you can design, for example, in specific niche that you already have some experience on, so you can sell it. So it's buy and sell, it's win to win. And as I told you from the beginning of the video, these interiors that you have already created, so it's not another work, it's the same work, but you are leveraging your earnings from other ways, maybe a couple of $100s from here and dollars of here and there. So you maximize your interior that you have already created. So this is for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.